Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off Active Now on Instagram. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Instagram application from your phone, and what you're going to do right now is to go into your profile page, click on this icon right here on the bottom right, click on it. Then as you can see on the top right, click on these three bars right here. And now after that, click on OK. Then go down and go to the section of how others can interact with you, which should be found in the settings and activity. And now you have to click on this option right here, messages and story replies. Click on it. Then as you can see here, you have a section that is called who can see that you are online. Now click on show activity status. Then here as you can see you have two options, and here in the above you can see that this option show activity status is on. All you have to do now is to turn it off, and by this way you will hide your activity status on Instagram simply without any problems. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.